What is cybersecurity? In this series, we're going to demystify cybersecurity, cyber attacks, and cyber insurance. By the end, you will know what steps to take to protect yourself and your business.
According to Cybersecurity Ventures, the cost of cybercrime is predicted to grow to $10.5 trillion by 2025.
And it's only going to continue to increase.
The Equifax hack exposed sensitive financial
The
data.
eBay data breach compromised the personal information of millions
The
of
Uber
users.
breach was a
The
major breach
Colonial
of trust.
Pipeline hack was a devastating reminder of the impact cyber attacks can have on critical infrastructure.
The JBS ransomware attack disrupted meat production in the U.S. and other.
The Anthem data breach was a serious wake-up call for the healthcare industry.
The Yahoo breach was one of the largest ever reported.
As a business owner, you need to do everything you can to protect yourself. But not many people know how. We're going to show you the way. So let's start with, what is cybersecurity?
It's the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, programs, and data from digital attacks, theft, damage, or unauthorized access. This includes putting into action various security measures and technologies to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information and systems.
More and more valuable information is stored and transmitted online. A variety of threats can come from hackers, cybercriminals, state-sponsored actors, and even insiders.
Effective cybersecurity requires a multi-layered approach, and it's a constantly evolving field as new threats and vulnerabilities emerge. This requires ongoing education and training to keep pace with the latest developments.
From hospitals to movie studios, from small businesses to huge retailers, cyber attacks can devastate a company. Some of the most well-protected corporations have been victims of cyber attacks. Take Target, for example. Back in 2013, they suffered a massive data breach that affected millions of customers. You can watch a video we made about it here.
The point is, even if you think you're doing everything right, you can still be at risk.
Cybersecurity is not just an IT problem, it's everyone's problem. So make sure you have the conversation with your employees so they're doing everything to keep your company safe. From the receptionist to the CEO, everyone needs to be made aware of the risks and take the necessary precautions. Prevention is key when it comes to cybersecurity. It is easier and less expensive to prevent an attack than to deal with its aftermath. That's why it's important to have a comprehensive cybersecurity plan in place that includes things like regular software updates, password policies, and employee training.
Cyber insurance can be a valuable tool for protecting your business. Cyber insurance policies can help cover the costs associated with a cyber attack, including legal fees, notification costs, and loss of income. And with the rising threat of cyber attacks, it's becoming increasingly important to have this type of coverage.
Stick with us and we'll get deeper into the world of cybercrime and talk about what a cyber attack is. You're going to be blown away about how quickly you'll understand what needs to be done. And we're going to give you the knowledge and the tools for that to happen.